In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in the Grok application to suit your needs, whether you're a language enthusiast, learning a new language, or simply need to switch languages for convenience. This tutorial will guide you through the process in just 5 minutes. First things first, let's start by opening the Grok application. So whether you have it on your desktop or mobile device, make sure you have the app open and ready. If you're not sure where to find it, check your applications folder or look for the Grok icon on your home screen. Once you have Grok open, you'll want to create a new chat. This is a straightforward step and should feel familiar if you've used the app before. Simply navigate to the chat feature, often indicated by a new chat button or icon, and select it to start a fresh conversation. This sets the stage for our next step. Now onto the third step, which is crucial. Explicitly specify the language you wish to use in your prompt. For example, if you want your input and responses to be in Spanish, go ahead and communicate this directly in your chat prompt. This direct approach tells Grok exactly what you need, laying the groundwork for seamless communication in your chosen language. It's important to note that Grok supports multilingual input and output, which makes it incredibly versatile for users around the world. With this feature, you can effortlessly switch languages back and forth, maximizing your productivity and enhancing your user experience. If you want to keep your conversations flowing in multiple languages, Grok makes it easy to jump between them without any hassle. By following these simple steps, opening Grok, starting a new chat, and specifying your desired language, you'll find yourself communicating in no time in any language you choose. The beauty of Grok is its capability to adapt to your language preferences, ensuring that your interactions are smooth and efficient. To wrap up, learning how to change the language settings in Grok can enhance both your work and personal projects. It's a valuable tool for breaking down language barriers and expanding your communication capabilities. So take a moment to experiment with different languages and discover the breadth of Grok's capabilities. With multilingual support at your fingertips, the world truly is your oyster. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found it helpful, make sure to share it with anyone who might benefit from knowing how to leverage Grok's language features. And as always, feel free to explore further and discover all the other amazing things you can do with Grok. Until next time, happy chatting!